Sometimes when sharing your screen in Zoom, you may see this sort of thing, where someone is apparently drawing on your shared screen. This happens when one of your participants accesses the annotation tools that are by default available to participants when your screen is being shared. You can prevent this sort of behavior by going to your share control bar that will probably be at the top or the bottom of your screen when you're sharing your screen, going to the More menu and selecting Disable Participant Annotation, and that will prevent them from being able to do this. It's also interesting, however, to first select Show Names of Annotators. And let's see what happens when the clever little devil tries this again. Now, when the little devil draws something, his username is displayed when he draws or when he types something nasty on your screen. You can then bring up your participants window, find the dastardly little dog, in this case literally, and go to the More button associated with that user and remove them from the session, and they won't be able to come back into this session. That's one way to deal with a Zoom bombing Illustrator in your Zoom meeting.